good morning vlog. Day 8 in Santiago, last full day for me at least, and we're going on a day trip, and I have a guest speaker who's going to talk about where we're going.
Hi everybody, hello from the Casablanca Valley. We're on the way to Valparaiso, which is like this Pacific coast city in Chile. And we're going to go on a boat tour, and we're going to walk around the city, then we're going to get lunch, and then we're going to go on a wine tour, and we'll get you updated later.
Wow, so detailed. He knows everything that's going on. Alright guys, see you there. Alright, vlog update. We did a boat tour and we also did a walking tour, and it was all so pretty. I think all of us love this place so much. And now we have some free time, so it's about like 2 hours of free time, so we're gonna have lunch at... Mitch, where are we eating lunch?
Cafe Turri.
Okay, yeah. And it has a great views of the ocean, so we're excited for that too. Alright vlog, we are leaving this beautiful vineyard and it's freezing.
It's chilly in Chile.
Chile in Chile. Freezing out
Wearing
here.
a sweatshirt
Yeah.
with no pants.
She's wearing pants, don't worry. But yeah, now we're headed back and my journey ends tonight. They stay for another day.
We'll miss you though.
I know, I'm gonna miss you guys too.
I'll miss the camera.
What do you guys?
The vlog. Who's gonna vlog our day?
I know, no one's vlogging tomorrow. No one else can see the words on your lips. Goes on.